There again, dog. And the topic is dangerous. What do you mean I want party? I know the mixer. I go with a bag of excitement. You see me I say? Yeah, I'm going to decide to here I go on. So before the mixer you flap me now, here me I go do. You have 3 major music software you use to mix up events. You have Serato DJ, and also virtual DJ. So, I did the party now and through, I decide someone use a virtual DJ. This is someone I pray. I say, yo, like, I want to go on, so. Then I start hearing a murmur. Oh, actually, I use virtual DJ and make him play so good. So, basically, these so-called DJs are saying that if you're using virtual DJ or anything other than the Serato interface, you're not a DJ. Rule number 1, rude boy. When you get booked for a party, promoters care not what kind of software you want to use. All them care about is if you're going to shell him party and make him bar sell. Rule number 2. Yeah, let's say it. Rule number 2. Not because a man can afford a Serato box or a Serato MIDI interface, that means him is a good DJ. Rule number 3. I myself can use any one of the following softwares professionally. Now, these DJs are saying that it is not professional of you if you're not using any of the following softwares: the Serato H, the Serato DJs, or anything that doesn't have the actual CD players where your hand can touch. See me I say? Don't say it, I'm gonna teach you something. Being a professional DJs state that you can use, manipulate, and handle any equipment that comes your way in case of any trouble. I got a part enough time, I enough when I use Serato, and some part of this now work and that part now work, and none other option because I just don't have Serato on that thing. You see me I say? Because events enough time I say man Serato broke down on them and it just don't work. You see me I say? Mixer now work, CD player gone back player and a back of foolishness like one. You see me I say? Now I have 3 of the frequent used software from my laptop. I have the Serato itself and the Serato DJ and also the virtual DJ. You know what I mean? So don't go like you want to bring down a DJ because I'm not using the popular interface. Because everybody want to use an interface. You see? Me on the other hand, I just feel like I use anything I want to use. You see me I say? And the speed of how I use the virtual is the same speed as how I use the other interface that you guys are saying if you're not using, you're not professional. Professional for me is having all the software on your laptop in case of any emergency or any breakdown or malfunction. You can resort to the next software. You see me I said that is being professional. You know what I mean? Because if you go wash your car and you can't find a liquid soap, you have to go use liquid fab or shampoo. You see me I say? Virtual DJ users, don't make nobody bring it down. You see me I say? Because one day they can reach to the thing that you see. I want to know the music. Serato is so easy to use. I mean, like, what the hell, me a lot me I use that beat. You see me? Dog, my granny can use that beat. Dog, my girlfriend I use Serato, dog. So just be yourself. Don't try to be nobody in the music business. You see me I say? At the end of the day, the promoter care about shelling his party. I got a Windows Media Player I use, iTunes. Care what I care to shell the party, make sure people enjoy themselves. You see me I say? Who is you for come tell me I'm not professional? Or who is you for go tell the next man say I'm not professional? Are you professional? No. Because guess what? No Serato box now today. No mixer on the day we can take up the Serato box to CD player now work and you can't play.